Welcome to this Transforming Learning Fife video on Safari Tips, Reader Mode.
Safari has an accessibility feature called Reader Mode, where on supported websites we can remove the clutter and we can focus just solely on the text and relevant images. This is great to engage with different content and articles, but also to support our learners as well. I've got an Education Scotland blog post open here that's got quite a lot of text on the screen, and I'd like to use Reader Mode to engage with it. In the address bar on the left-hand side, tap the Reader icon. You will then get this menu, and then tap Show Reader. Straight away, I can now engage with the text, and it's kept the relevant images for me as well. If we tap the Reader icon again, we get some further customization. We can increase the font size. We can listen to the page.
Effective learner participation.
And we can also change the background colour and also the font if we need to. Once you've finished engaging with the website in Reader Mode, tap the icon again and then hide Reader. Some websites don't support Reader Mode, and you'll find this out by tapping the Reader icon in the address bar, and you'll notice that there isn't the blue option to show in Reader. We can still increase the text size if we need to on the website, but we don't have any of the other Reader functions. Reader Mode can be used in many ways. We could take a screenshot of the text in Reader Mode and share with our learners, or we could use the Share button, tap Options, choose Reader PDF, tap the tick, and then we could actually save this to our files, or we could send it to one of the different apps. What are some of the ways that you're going to make use of Reader Mode?